In the deepest silence of nature, a pair of eyes is watching everything. Deep in the endless forest, far away from human noise, stood a lonely house surrounded by mist and whispering trees. Every night, the wind carried strange sounds through the woods. Some said the forest was empty, but the silence always felt alive. Under the shadows of ancient trees, unseen creatures watched the world in silence. And somewhere beyond the darkness, golden eyes slowly opened. Nature was awake. Hidden beneath the forest's odd shadows, a young cheetah quietly enjoyed its meal. Small, but already learning the laws of the wild. Cold winds touched the frozen land as the cheetah rested alone in silence. Even the snow could not stop the spirit of the wild. Beside the flowing river, two cheetahs stood still, listening to the voice of nature. The forest roared as powerful. Winds moved through the trees. Like invisible spirits. Step by step, the cheetah moved carefully through the wild grass. Its eyes never lost sight of the prey ahead. In nature, survival belongs to the patient. Under the quiet sky, the cheetah lowered its head to drink from the calm water. Inside those golden eyes lived the story of the wild. Fearless, silent, and free. As evening slowly faded into night, the lonely lighthouse stood against the endless sea. Resting peacefully on the green grass, the cheetah listened. To the soft breath of nature. Water moved gently around its legs as the cheetah crossed the river without fear. The sea became silent beneath the glowing moon. Waves slowly touched the dark shore while the night covered the world in peace. Somewhere far away, Nature continued its endless story beneath the stars. Across the endless green field, the cheetah walked proudly beneath the open sky. Free, exactly as nature created it. As the sun disappeared behind the horizon, the shadow of the cheetah slowly vanished into the wild. Rain slowly fell upon the leaves, bringing calmness to the restless forest. The wind softened. The night grew deeper. And nature whispered its final song.